Hello folks and welcome to that Screencast. Danny here. In today's video I'm going to start a new series where I'm going to show you some of my favourite websites, or at least websites I think are useful and worth basically letting you know about. Now this week I want to talk about a website called oldapps.com, and what oldapps.com is basically a site where you can download old versions of software. So instead of going to, let's say, the Skype website and downloading the latest version of Skype, you actually can go to Old Apps and download older versions. So if I just go on to Skype here, type in Skype in the search, and it brings up Skype, and as you can see it gives you a list of basically all the versions of Skype, going from the latest version which were released on November the 17th all the way down to versions from 2004, so really old versions. Now, what is the use of this? Why do you want to download old versions of software? Well, majority of the time you're not going to want to. You're going to want to have the latest and greatest. But on occasions you might download the newer version of software and you'll find it doesn't work correctly. Maybe it's buggy, or maybe it just doesn't work on your computer. Maybe there's something wrong. You can't find out why it ain't working, but it won't work. So a tip is sometimes to try the older versions, perhaps the version which were working before, or an even older version which then might work. So that's one reason. Also, applications over time can change. They can get more bloated, more heavy on your computer, and you might not like the new version, so you might want to go back to the older version which you were used to or you found were better. Also, you get like freeware software which is free, but then they'll bring out the newer version which will then be paid. So this is a great site to find that old version which perhaps were free. So that's reasons why you might want to do that. So I just want to show you the website, basically oldapps.com, and you can basically check out Windows apps, Macintosh apps, Linux apps, etc. Now, there's not every single application on the website you'll find, but there's a lot of applications, so it's definitely a useful resource. Now, this was the one I like to use, oldapps.com. I've used it a couple of times for the reasons I've just described. Now, there's other websites you could check out. So this is oldapps.com, but it's always worth checking out these other ones. Oldversion.com is another one. Again, it's got Macintosh apps as well as Windows apps. Linux is too. Oldware.org is similar sort of stuff again. Old-version.org is another website, does the same thing as all the others. Old-versions.net is another one. So what I'll do is leave the links to these websites in the description below, and a few others, and they're just a useful resource. You might never need to use them, but occasionally you just might, so it's great to know about them. So thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you found it useful. If you did, then please like and subscribe, because it's always appreciated. Also, if you wish, you can follow me at Twitter at twitter.com/appscreencast. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.